When your shoes are soaking wet, you want to get them dry as quickly as possible because otherwise they get moldy and can get really stinky. Now you can just throw them in a clothes dryer, but the problem with that is they make a racket and they can actually pop the door open and shut off the dryer entirely. And leather shoes will dry out and can crack, and some athletic shoes have heels. Inside the heel are air-filled or gel-filled pockets, and they can rupture in the heat. So you don't want to put them in the dryer. Here's an option, using a household fan to dry the shoes. The first thing you want to do is open up the shoes as much as possible. You have to take the laces out, but you want them really open so the air can get in there. Then use a pair of snips and cut off a wire hanger. Cut a piece about 6 or 7 inches long and bend a small hook on the end and then a larger hook on the other end. And now you're just going to make sure the fan is off. Just slip the hooks into the grill, just like that, hook them on, and then hang the shoes from the wire. And I also like to put a towel underneath just to catch any water that might be dripping off the shoes. And now you just want to click on the fan, and even on low, you'd be surprised with the air blowing through it continuously, these shoes will be dry in about an hour or hour and a half.